Hey everyone, it's nice to see you or to be seen. I'm here to start a conversation about AI, artificial intelligence. I just watched an AMI webinar presented by the brilliant 3D medical artist Ruth Chang, and it was very eye-opening and entertaining and interesting, and I wanted to bring her findings to you. Ruth presented some pros and cons on using AI to create medical anatomy. So to start, I did ask some trial attorneys if they use AI and what they think about artificial intelligence. And I got some fun quotes that range from, I love me some AI, to it's terrible at eye anatomy, to it is dangerous as hell to rely upon. So knowing that we are all talking about AI, it's here, the technology is here, how is it going to support us? How does it threaten us? And how does it come into uniquely, how does it come into law and into court and into our injury cases? So Ruth started with a prompt, as all image generators do. And this was her prompt: a realistic human knee joint showing muscles, connective tissue, bones, and tendons as it would be depicted in a medical anatomy textbook. And this is what the computer generated. And I would think knee anatomy would be very common with patient education and so much sports medicine that it would be easy to pattern match, which is what AI does. It just matches patterns. And we can see from this knee that nothing is accurate. There is not a single anatomical structure here that is accurate to a knee joint. It has some cool Frank Netter colors. It might have a little Perncroft detail, but it is mostly Marvel Comics. So Ruth put in another prompt, and this is the image it created. Ta-da! Her prompt for this image was a realistic lateral view of a human anatomical knee joint, including the meniscus, patella, and bursa. The center of the joint is slightly reddish in color, indicating inflammation. Well, there is no patella, and none of this anatomy is anatomically correct to a human or a dog or horse. I can't help it, but I like to call this the bum wheel. Anyway, AI is going to be great for generating ideas, but it is not accurate enough yet to teach. And I do say yet. So until AI is exquisitely trained in gross anatomy and physiology, I am afraid these inaccuracies could be really embarrassing and potentially dangerous. I can't even imagine how risky it would be to bring something like this into a deposition. In short, my conclusion at this time, based off Ruth's webinar and other conversations I've been having, is that the current AI capabilities fall short, clearly fall short of the standards demanded by your client's unique injuries and their specific medical record. AI cannot have a dialogue or banter or offer you insight. It cannot interface with your doctor while you are actually looking at MRI slices or CT scans. AI cannot tell you what is missing from the medical record, and it cannot tell you when you're wrong. So we have to continue to value our process of case preparation, because this is where the magic happens. And I hope I'm long retired when the jury box and the judge are just AI computers. So I want to grow with you as we learn about this brave new artificial world. I encourage you to put in comments and questions or answers into wherever you found this video. So LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. Put your questions and your concerns out there so that we all understand what we're feeling and how we're moving forward with this new technology. And I have a couple questions to get you started, to get your juices flowing. How will you lay a foundation for AI-generated medical exhibits? Can they be proven up with your expert in court? Are judges allowing them as demonstrative aids or as demonstrative evidence, or are they even getting in at all? Have you even tried to enter an AI-generated medical image into court? And I hope this is a really eye-opening and comfortable conversation for us all to have moving forward. And happy anniversary to Injury Illustrated. June always marks another year since 2007. And I appreciate you all, and thanks for being here.